Okay, another video. That sound is back. It's not as dark out as before, but as you can see, all the trees are still. There is no wind blowing, but that sound has started again. Here's some birds chirping. Maybe that sound is irritating the hell out of them. Okay, you can hear a helicopter now, a plane, a little something flying in the air. Yeah, that's a plane flying by. Right there is a plane. That's a plane flying by. So now the plane is gone. Now you hear the other sound. This guy is making that noise again. I think people need to pay attention to this. You constantly hear that noise. And as you can see, the trees aren't moving, so it's not the wind. Wow. That is very powerful, whatever the hell it is. Some frequency sound or something, I don't know. Yeah, it'll go on for about 3 hours or so. Yep, the sound is back. Tell me what you think, people.